Dear students, today we will solve one example in chapter Operating Costing for subject Advanced Accounting and Auditing Paper 3, class 2nd year BCom, semester 4, Veer Narmad, South Gujarat University. Here is the question. Kashmir Travels has one luxury bus. Cost of bus is rupees 20 lakhs. Its useful life is 5 lakh kilometers. During April month, the bus completed 10 round trips for 20 days and 8 round trips for 5 days. Repairing cost is estimated 50% of depreciation. Here the other informations: passengers detail, kilometers up to 10 kilometers passengers travel 20,000. Up to 15 kilometers passengers travel 40,000. 20 kilometers 50,000. 25 kilometers 60,000, and finally up to 30 kilometers 70,000 passengers are travelled. Monthly expenses: CNG gas expense rupees 3 lakh, oil and grease rupees 2 lakh, insurance 1,50,000, tire tube rupees 5 lakh, driver's salary rupees 20,000, road tax rupees 50,000. Company wants to earn 25% profit on net income. From this information we have to prepare a cost statement showing cost per passenger kilometers. Let us understand the question first. Here we are given information of a Kashmir Travels having a one luxury bus. Cost of bus is 20 lakhs and useful life is 5 lakh kilometers. This information will be used to calculate depreciation. First we will get depreciation per kilometer. Okay, 20 lakh divided by 5 lakh kilometers. So per kilometer our depreciation would be rupees 4. Now during the April month, bus completed 10 round trips for 20 days and 8 round trips for 5 days, and total kilometers run by bus is 30 kilometers. Okay, and repairing cost is estimated at 50% of depreciation. Here we have information of passengers run up to 10 kilometers, 20,000 passengers, 15 kilometers, 40,000 passengers, 20 kilometers, 50,000 passengers, 25 kilometers, 60,000 passengers, and up to 30 kilometers. Total 70,000 passengers run during this period of round trips. Here are some monthly expenses to run the bus. Further, company wants to earn 20% profit on net income. 20% profit on net income, it means 25% profit on net income means 25% on sale. So 25% on sale is equal to 33 and 1/3 percentage on cost. With this understanding we will work out first monthly kilometers and then monthly passenger kilometers. Here is a basic calculation. First, monthly kilometers is equal to kilometers multiply round trips multiply days. So we have in total 30 kilometers run. First 20 days 10 round trips, so 10 multiplied by 2 multiply 20 days, plus again 30 kilometers, remaining 5 days and 8 round trips. Okay, like this we have monthly kilometers. I repeat again, first 20 days 10 round trips for 30 kilometers run, for remaining 5 days 8 round trip and 30 kilometers. So we get 12,000 kilometers plus 2,400 kilometers, so like 14,400 kilometers per month, that is for 25 days. And here we have calculated monthly passenger kilometers. First column kilometers and passengers already given in the question, and last column is monthly passenger kilometers. So 10 kilometers multiplied by 20,000 is equal to 2 lakh, then 6 lakh, then 10 lakh, then 15 lakhs, and then 21 lakhs, and finally we get monthly 54 lakh passenger kilometers. With this working, we will prepare cost statement. Here is a cost statement. A Kashmir Travels statement showing operating cost of a bus. Particulars: rupees per month, that is amount per month, and per passenger kilometers. First we will take fixed charges. Insurance charge given rupees 1,50,000 for the month. Driver salary we have given rupees 20,000. Road tax rupees 50,000. So our total fixed cost amount to rupees 2,20,000. Then variable charges. Depreciation cost 20 lakh cost of bus divided by 5 lakh kilometers life of bus. So per kilometer we get 4 rupees depreciation. Depreciation per kilometer rupees 4. Multiply by 14,400 kilometers per month as we have calculated. So monthly depreciation amounts to 57,600. Then CNG gas cost 3 lakh rupees, oil and grease 2 lakh rupees, tire tube cost rupees 5 lakh, and repairing cost 50% of depreciation, that is 57,600 multiplied by 50%, that is 28,800. And finally we get total variable cost to run the bus 10,86,400, and our total operating cost A plus B, that is fixed cost plus variable cost, amount to rupees 13,06,400. Now company wants to profit 25% on taking is equal to 33 and 1/3% on total cost. Dear students, use your previous knowledge of costing paper 1. 25% on takings, that is 25% on sales, is equal to 33 and 1/3% on cost. So it amounts to 4,35,467, that is 13,06,400 multiply 1/3 is equal to 4,35,467, and finally we get our net takings, that is 17,41,867. I repeat, our net takings amount to 17,41,867 divided by 54 lakh passenger kilometers per month. So we get 0.32, that is 32 paise per passenger kilometer is our cost. Dear students, first of all understand this question with solution, then try to solve it independently and practice one more example like this from books available to you for university exam. Thank you very much for watching this video lecture. Very soon we will meet with another example in the same chapter.